You're welcome, I'm Steven Robinson, and you know...
Easy.
And...
Aaliyah.
What are we doing today, guys?
Making slime!
Okay, what?
Not any usual activator.
We're not using an activator. Okay,
Guys,
what are we gonna use then?
use shaving gel.
Shaving gel. Okay, well, I've never done slime before, so this is gonna be Daddy's first time doing slime. But
Aaliyah knows how to make slime.
I know she's a professional, so she's gonna take the lead.
Never made shaving gel
Nope.
slime.
So how are you doing DIY if you never made shaving gel slime?
I don't know. Okay.
Okay, anyways.
So, first what you need is glue. You would have to have a bowl.
We got bowls. Bowls here.
Your shaving gel.
Get
and
bowls.
your spoon.
Get your bowls. Get your bowls. Give my spoon.
Give me my spoon.
Just do it. Okay, now what? We just mix like that?
So, the first thing you need to pour in is your glue.
Okay.
And the milk that you pour in is the milk that you're going to have.
Okay, I'm not gonna make too much.
Yeah.
So,
I am.
you make it, no, not too much. I'm gonna pour it for you. Just try, test it out.
I really
Here
want
we
a little
go.
bit of lot, but...
Here we go. So there you go. You pour your glue, guys. We're doing it right now. Okay, glue is in.
Mine's the biggest.
Glue is in.
Then after, what you want to do is add a little bit.
A shaving cream?
Yes.
Okay, you can do it
Can we
yourself?
mix it?
Look at
Wanna shake it?
Let them shake it up. Dad's gonna put a little bit of time. So you guys want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here you go. Do it a little bit at a time.
Little.
Then you stir. You stir. Can you do it? Or you need help?
I need help.
Okay, you need help? Let's stir. Ready? And squeeze. There you go, Leah. There you go. And
Okay.
stir. Oh, look at that. Look at that already.
Look at mine.
Oh, look at that. Oh, stir. I don't know.
Look at mine. Mine's
This
so
looks kind of
pretty.
weird.
Mine's
I
so pretty.
think we need more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Pass that over here. So you put
Okay.
a little bit of shaving gel, apparently, till you
Yeah.
get enough. Daddy's just gonna put a lot in there.
Me too.
No,
Okay.
you can't copy it.
Oh my gosh, it looks so fluffy.
It does look fluffy. Oh my god, it is getting fluffy already. You guys seen this? Like, look at it. Look at this getting fluffy. Whoa! And you said you never did this before.
I've never done
You
it.
never. It smells really good too, cause Daddy got the, the Gillette good stuff. Okay. So keep putting it in there, but Daddy will put it over here. Okay, put it
I
over
put a
there.
little. I put it just.
Look at mine. Look at this. Look at guys. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys seen this?
Mine.
I want
That's
some more.
just fluff. Me too.
It looks like fluff. I want some more. I want some
too.
more. I want some more. Daddy's putting a whole lot. You could put more. Put more in there. Oh, look at that. Is it gonna be sticky though?
Yeah.
Does this become really sticky?
Yeah. Well, you have to knead it.
Okay,
Or
we got it.
split.
So I'm just gonna keep stirring and stirring and stirring. This is a lot. I thought it was gonna be a little bit. Look at that.
Okay, I added a lot.
Oh.
Just to see if it actually works.
Okay, now stir. Ethan, let's just stir. Let's see who makes the best slime. I think mine is gonna come out as the best slime.
No, mine. Look.
Mine.
Look at mine.
Okay.
Look at mine. Mine's
Okay,
so
buddy.
fluffy.
No. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at mine.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Look at mine. Look at this.
Look at that. It looks like ice cream. Who got the cones? Who got the cones? Should we get some ice cream cones?
No.
We could buy a trick like Grandma, make a prank, or we could play a prank on Kenesha, put some ice cream, an ice cream cone, and give it to her, and she probably fall for it. You want to do that?
Sure. And it's slime.
Or maybe you give it to Angel or Grandma, Granddad, and say, "Here you go, it's blue ice cream."
But it's actually just slime.
I know,
And just say it's blueberry. It smells
It's really fluffy. Do you just keep knitting?
You just smell it.
Is that what you keep doing? You just keep doing, stirring it around?
I think so.
Okay, let's keep stirring, guys. Stir.
Wait, I need some more.
You think you need some more? Add
Supposed to work.
It's supposed to work. Listen, this is DIY. We're trying. Okay, we have never done this before, but I watch a lot of YouTube videos and she knows her slime. Okay,
Yeah,
like
she
I
really
waste a
knows
lot of.
this.
Daddy bought a lot of slime for her before. Well,
Yeah.
and so she should be a professional at this.
Look at mine.
Okay,
Well, they actually.
can you touch it and see?
If you want.
Is it?
No, it's not sticky. See? No, it's. I'm
Oh,
gonna add
no.
a little bit more
Oh my God.
of glue. Mine's not sticky.
Glue.
Yeah, because we might have add a little bit
Nope.
more gel. Me too.
You think so?
Yeah.
Nope.
I might little.
Okay. I think we just need to stir it. Okay. Let's stir. Can you give it? Can you put it over here? Put that one over here.
Hey, yeah.
What?
I need some.
No, you can't add more. You're just making more. That's so much. Oh my god, look at this.
Wait, I just need to.
Oh my god, guys. I don't think this is working out so well. Like this, like Aaliyah, this was your idea, and I think clearly got to put this to the side, not leaving the middle. Thank you.
I tried putting it aside. I can't reach that far.
Well, you can put it your side too. You know that, right?
Mine.
Okay.
Whatever.
okay,
Dad,
okay.
look at mine.
Oh, you gotta mix yours, bro. Yours is cool. This looks like
I
a
think it's just
super
gonna be full
cool
up.
blue. Are you guys seeing this? This is
Mine
like a,
does.
Like, look.
And look at mine.
look at this. Look at this. Look at my slime's cooler. Look at this. Oh my god, that is some sticky icky.
Oh,
That is some
mine's-
sticky icky slime.
Mine too.
That are you guys seeing this? If you guys can like look at this. Look at it. Look how sticky that is. Look. Oh no! Oh no! Daddy got over him! Oh, your nose!
This looks like whipped cream.
Yeah, it looks like-
Yeah, this looks like whipped cream. I think what we're gonna call it whipped cream slime. Okay,
Yeah.
I dare you to put your hand in and play in it.
Nope.
No.
You gotta really knit it, you said, right?
Yeah, but it's not slime yet.
Okay.
it is.
So do you just keep going?
Look at that. It's not slime yet.
What do you do? Just keep going?
Yeah.
You keep going. You gotta stir, 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 stir.
I think you just need.
Stir, 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 stir. No,
Okay,
no,
got it.
no. Are you sure? Because
Okay.
you just keep adding more stuff, but I don't think it's looking like a slime, bro. I think you're just making a lot more.
Hey guys,
No,
look.
I think it's slime.
Okay, let's see. Ethan, how's your slime going?
Yours looks really sticky. Let me see yours. Let me see yours. Oh, this is.
Oh, this is really fluffy. This is some serious fluffy stuff. I don't think this is working very well. So, but we'll find out. Let's keep stirring. Stir, stir. Daddy's getting thick though.
Look at
Oh,
mine, Daddy. It's going
Wait,
down.
can I see yours?
mine's getting really thick. My arm's starting to hurt me because Daddy has to be like stir this, stir, 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 and all that stirring is making my arm like I'm gonna be buffed after
Look,
this.
Buck Bosley.
Yeah.
And Buck's Freddy.
Oh, my,
Oh my
Buck
gosh.
Chica.
but I got this on my pants, and my pants is starting to get really dirty. Like, oh my god, Daddy
Hey,
probably should have
This-
not
I can't really
wore
see
this on
it.
my pants. But
It's so nice.
oh my
so
god,
nice.
it looks nice, but I don't think it's quite like
Working.
it's quite working for some reason. Look at this. Oh.
Look at mine.
Oh, this is so are we gonna keep mixing? Hey, 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 look at slime, look at hey, 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 look at slime, look at slime.
Daddy, you're the one who knocked.
No, I'm not the one who knocked it. Just keep stirring.
I wonder who did that.
Stir, 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 stir.
My hands.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Aaliyah. Okay, what are we gonna keep going? Are we gonna keep mixing?
I rubbed it off.
Mix, mix.
What?
Oh my god.
Mix.
Oh my god, my arm's hurting.
Mine.
My arm is seriously hurting, guys. Like honestly, this takes, and you just keep adding more. Oh my god.
I'm a professional.
I guess we're not making no more slime after this because she's gonna use all of it.
No, I'm a professional.
And look at this one. He just keeps putting more shaving cream.
Wait,
More shaving cream. Okay? So let's do this. Let's do it and do it and do it and do it and do it.
Yeah.
Why? Because you screwed yours up?
no.
She's trying to take Ethan's because she screwed
Oh
it.
my god.
Stop
What?
it.
Ethan is getting like that.
Is it get what? I think Ethan's getting what? Is Ethan getting like it?
Yeah.
Look.
Like it.
Does it feel like slime? This seriously feels like some fluffy stuff. Like this is fluffy. This is not.
Daddy, look. See?
Whoa.
It's going like yours.
So
Whoa. I don't know. I think Ethan's is a mess.
remember,
We gotta like move this out of the way. When I tell you, move it out of the way.
I'm too squished.
You're too squished.
Hey, Aaliyah.
Okay.
I think she's trying to steal yours, bro.
no.
Yeah, it looks like you're trying to steal yours. Look at yours. I think you're just mad because yours is how do you call it? Oh, the L. She took the L.
no, I didn't.
Yeah, you're taking the L, bro.
Guys,
Like,
you
I think.
Wait, need a lid.
Comment down below because I want to know who has the worst slime here. Like, does Daddy have the worst slime?
Yeah. This. Look, I blew.
Yours would be the best because you've been putting a lot of stuff in yours.
What, shaving? My best.
Yeah, you put a lot.
I mean, it's
A lot, a
blue,
lot, a
that's
lot, a lot, a lot,
Mine's
a lot,
the
a
best
lot.
slime. Ready? Watch.
Okay.
Mine too.
Look at this. Oh, it's not coming.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, dare you place
Look
your
at
hands.
mine.
Use your hands to place it.
No. It's not even close to slime yet now.
Okay.
Mine's still
Okay.
not slime yet.
Okay.
Yeah, watch.
See, mine's not like that.
Yeah? Yeah?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, look at this.
Looks like mine.
Mine is like slime. Look at that. Oh!
Look at mine.
Oh, look at that slime go! Oh! Okay. Okay, guys.
You just keep on mixing it.
Yeah, I just keep mixing it, bro. That's what I keep doing. You gotta mix, mix, mix. Mix. We should make like a remix song, like the mix song. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix.
Nope.
You mix and mix and mix and mix and mix.
Nope.
You mix and mix and mix, and you mix and mix and mix. Then you mix some more than you mix.
Nope.
Okay.
Oh.
Ew, I guess I get it. That's so nice
Huh?
to song.
I guess we get it.
I guess we get it. Look
Okay.
at mine.
Okay.
Mine's big.
Okay. Okay. Mine's. This really looks like fluffy slime. Is that what we're trying to go for? Were we trying to go for fluffy slime?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You don't know. Listen. This was whose idea was this?
Aaliyah's.
Yep. Aaliyah's idea. Aaliyah was the.
Daddy, look at mine.
Master.
Now it looks like a snake.
Look at this. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm mixing my more.
Oh,
Mix yours?
you guys just added so much stuff hoping it gets thicker, but I don't think you're supposed to add
My
so much.
hand is messy.
Yeah, that looks like a real mess, bro.
And look at mine.
You look like you got a big mess on your hand to clean up after, and I am not cleaning it. Guess who's washing the dishes and bowls after? Shiv!
No, I'm not.
It's grandma.
Oh, grandma. Grandma.
Awesome.
Did grandma make the mess? Exactly.
Oh.
Exactly. Grandma did not make the mess. Ah! Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Oh, my arm is killing me.
Mine is
My arm is honestly
I
killing
just
me.
want to eat this right now.
You want to eat this?
Me too.
Let's, okay. Let's, look at it, look. My daddy's is the best. I honestly think
Mama.
daddy's is the best. Look at this. That's kind of really thick, though.
Mine looks. Mine. Look at mine.
Look at this. I don't, does that feel like slime? Does that feel like
Take
slime?
mine. Take daddy's.
No, it doesn't feel like slime at
I
all.
took daddy's.
Okay, I think, excuse me, try to take some of mine.
I took some of yours.
You can't, eh? That's pretty bad, eh?
Daddy, I took a little
Yeah.
bit of yours.
Okay, anyways, I think we should probably, like, say we failed at this, because this was a
This
horrible-
was a fail. Guys,
was-
don't try this.
This was a fail.
Daddy.
So, anyways, if you guys like videos like this, well, hopefully when we try this again another time, we like do it the right way and we like.
Wait,
it's
remember
success-
she said thin it?
Yeah, but we've been doing it. It doesn't look very. It looks just like fluffy slime. It's not really like slime. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because it helps us out a lot. And give us that thumbs up and yeah, the notification bells. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. All right. But anyways, we're out. Peace.